Det er kendt, når dyr dør, så begynder der en gæringsproces, og det kan simpelthen udvikle.
Wow, I want to see this.
Yeah, hello and welcome to Tom Sondergaard Photography. Today I'm out here in the northern part of Jutland, near a small town called Aalbæk. And I'm here because I heard there's a whale here that has stranded, and I'm going down there to see if I can make some footage of that, make some pictures of that. But it's very windy today, it's very cold, it's about -1 degrees Celsius, and with a very heavy wind here it feels like -10 degrees. But yeah, I'm here together with my little dog Cornelius. Let's see. Yeah, you can see him here. We're out here, and it's actually a very beautiful landscape. So we're going down to the beach to find that whale. And yeah, I'll talk a little bit about it when you come down there. So I'm very excited. I've never seen a whale like that before. Yeah, I hope there will not be that much wind noise in my microphone. Yeah, very windy here. Yeah, and we are approaching the beach, I can see. So soon I'll come up here on the hill so I can see how far it is before we can see the whale. Yeah. Now we can see the water here, the sea, and where is the whale? I can't see it. Let's go down. Let's see. Very windy indeed. Oh, yeah. Unfortunately, the whale was not there. It was thrown away. I think it's called. I can see the tracks of a big vehicle, and yeah. So I actually drove 1 hour to come here. So not to waste this opportunity, I'll take you down to a little harbor here in Aalbæk, where I will take some pictures and hopefully get something I can make this video interesting for you. So yeah, that's how it goes. I was a day too late, and now Cornelius is just enjoying his time out here in nature, and we're heading down to the car and drive. It's only about 5 minutes from here. There's a little harbor. I will take some pictures there. So yeah. So come on, Cornelius. Let's go down to the car. Yeah. Yeah, so now I'm here at the harbor, and see down there, there's ice on the bridges, the poles. I think that could be a nice picture. Get down here, let's see. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. It's ice here, so not the one they have in America, in the States, but ice from frozen water. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's cold, very cold. Dig in der, kom. Yeah, again it's very windy here. Yeah. Isn't that beautiful? Let's see. I've been here before, photographed this building, the white cube, as I call it. Come on, Cornelius, going up here. I have to get this. Careful not to blow down here. It's very, very windy. Oh, here, Cornelius. I have to take a picture of this. Yeah, that is amazing. Really amazing. Oh, and look at this. Bliv her. Stay here. Ikke derop. Nej. It was all worth it. Yeah. Look at this. Oh ja, lige så stille og roligt. Ja. Down here. And again, this picture I've photographed before. Yeah. Really amazing. Yeah. Very, very beautiful. And this one, I have to have this too. From this angle. And also, pas på, ikke. It's only ice here. No. Ikke derop. Not up there. Come. So now we're heading down to the car and see if we can find that whale that is that they have moved. So I think we could go in here. Yeah, come. So yes, now I found the whale. I'm heading over there to it. Just show you. Yeah, there you can see. And there's some people here, and there also, I can't go very close to it, but that's okay. Yeah. Yeah, so I got the picture of the whale. It was nothing special. I would have preferred it down at the beach, but that's okay. Anyhow, thank you for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed this little video from a very cold Denmark here. And then I hope to see you again on my next one. Bye bye and take care.
Oh.